Olá, eu sou Gilbert Gartner, diretor de Lumos Language School, e eu estou muito entusiasmado de estar aqui com vocês hoje para anunciar uma nova série de vídeos que estamos disponibilizando em nosso canal de YouTube. Nessa série de vídeos, a maestra Daniela irá apresentar algumas dicas muito interessantes de como você pode aprimorar seu inglês. Para aqueles que estão se preparando para vir a Lumos no futuro muito breve, essa seria uma oportunidade tremenda de vocês como se diz, familiarizar com a metodologia que Lumos utiliza no ensino de inglês. Todas as viernes estaremos lançando um novo vídeo com novos conteúdos. Então é muito importante que você se inscreva em nosso canal de YouTube. Também marque para receber as notificações de quando estamos disponibilizando um novo vídeo, para que assim você possa ser informado e possa acompanhar todos os vídeos que teremos nesse ano. Bem, agora deixo vocês com Daniela. Daniela, o espaço é todo seu para continuar com o programa.
Thank you, Gilbert. Hello, everyone. Teacher Daniela here with Lumos Language School. Today, we're starting with the English tips. In the first video, we will talk about the TH sound. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today, we're exploring the world of pronunciation and we'll focus on the TH sound. This sound can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we're here to help. Whether it's in words like thank, math, or bath, mastering this sound will really help your English pronunciation skills. First, let's talk about where to put your tongue. The TH sound is made by putting the tip of your tongue between your upper and lower front teeth, just like that. Now, here's something interesting. The TH sound can come in two types. When it's loud, like in brother or mother, you will feel a buzz in your throat, right here. But when it's quiet, like in bath or think, there is no buzz. It's just a soft airflow coming out of your mouth. So you can tell the difference if you put your fingers right here in your throat and you make the sound ah, voiced, and the sound voiceless. So if you put here the fingers in your throat with ah, you should feel some vibration, a little buzz. But when you do there's no vibration. See? For the sound of the quiet TH sound, think about a gentle breeze that's passing between your upper teeth and your tongue. Just like this. Pay attention and try to copy that. Now, let's practice with some words. First, the loud TH sound. Repeat after me. Those, brother, mother. And now, the quiet TH sound. Again, repeat after me. Thank, through, and bath. Keep practicing until you feel comfortable. Watch out for common mistakes like using the S or T instead of the TH sound. For example, let's avoid saying thank you when we mean thank you. Tank is a military vehicle, while thank, as in thank you, is how we express gratitude in English. It's a small difference, but it can make a big change in the meaning of the words. Let's use a pair of words that are very similar. Compare sing, as in la la la, to thing, as an object. See how a small pronunciation detail can make such a big difference. Sing and thing are two completely different words, so be careful with that and try not to make those mistakes. Now, let's make sentences for real-life situations. How about this one? The path through the forest is a bit hard. I'm gonna say that again a little bit slower. The path through the forest is a bit hard. Repeat it until you get comfortable. And now, for a bit of a challenge, try this tongue twister. The 33 thieves thought that they made the throne happy on Thursday. I'm going to repeat that one more time. The 33 thieves thought that they made the throne happy on Thursday. Give it a try. It's a fun way to practice your TH sound pronunciation skills. Fantastic job, language learners. Remember, getting the TH sound right takes practice. So, keep repeating, listening, and challenging yourself. With practice, it will become easier. And we're always here to help you at Lumos Language School. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, go ahead and follow us on our social media platforms, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, and happy learning!